Hi all, welcome to Algovis. Today we are going to discuss about Python variables and data types. So, first we have to know what is Python variables. Like variables are names given to memory locations that store data values. Like they act like containers to hold informations. And data type is like the kind of data a variable holds, like a numeric, that is int, a string, float, like that. So we can learn more about that. For example, I'll show you how to store a data into a variable. So we can give a variables any name, like in Python, the variables are uh, the naming convention rules are like we should use snake case and no spaces, and they are case sensitive. So for example, I'll show you how to name variables. Now I am putting a variable name as name and equal to, I wanted to put a string here. So use double quotes, and inside that I am printing algobus. Now if I print name, it should print algobus. So let's try it. See, algobus. So we can also like num equal to 21. Oh, we didn't print it. Sorry, I'll print it. See 21. Also, here you can notice that I didn't put that double quotes here. Now, if we put some numeric values inside double quotes, let's try whether it will print. Yeah, so you can see that both of them prints 21. So what is the difference between that value inside the double quotes and without double quotes? So to know that, we can use the function type, that is type of variable name. Yeah, we should put print type of name here. Class int. If we put print type of num1, see, that is print type of num1. When we put both are different data types, that is The one within the double quotes is string and the other is in. That is the difference when we do with uh, integer values. Okay, now let's learn about operators. So we can create a new file and do that there. So these are the operators, that is, these are the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus. We will learn all these things individually. And these are the comparison operators and these are the logical operators. Now we can do an exercise. So calculate area of a circle. So we all know that the area of a circle is pi r square. Uh, so for getting the value of pi, either we can use 3.14 or we can import math. So this will help to use that values here instead of we write 3.14. Next, we need radius to calculate the area. So radius equal to, either we can give the value or if we need input, we use input of, enter the radius of the circle. And that might be floating value. Not every time it won't be an integer value. So radius is equal to float of input in enter the radius of the circle. Next, we have to calculate the area. So area is equal to pi r square. We all know that. So instead of writing 3.14, as we have import math there, we can use math dot pi. Pi into r. R is radius. To write the power of, we use 2 star and radius square. That is it. Now we have to print it. While printing, we have to concatenate between strings and integers. Also, we have to include the variable names with the strings. So we can use f string here. That is, you write f here and add double quotes, and inside the double quotes we can include variables and the other strings we want to use. That is, I'll show you. The area of the circle with uh, we have to give the value of this. So inside this curly braces we can write the variable name. Radius, that is the value of the radius is printed there, is area. So here we know that the radius may be a floating point and mark.pi is a decimal value. So while multiplying this, we will get a decimal value. If you need to, put the decimal in two values, you can use colon dot 2f. So the decimal point will be two values. So let's try to run this. Python operators dot py, radius of the circle, like we can use 6.5 here. Is see, like this we can use that. Okay, so that's it for today. Please play around with all these data types, variables, do some small programs. So let's see on next day. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe and share.